Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
It's 5:38 p.m. here. Magkalayo.
Yeah.
LDR.
Dito
Aw,
ay
how are you?
at
How are
dyan ay
you?
gabi.
Yung mga antok na
If may mga tanong kayo, mag-comment lang kayo.
Sabi nga nila, nakailang kape na daw sila.
Ah.
I went for the end of...
Kasi it's a weekend tomorrow eh.
That's why.
Ano ba dyan?
It's a Saturday.
Ngayon.
Friday?
Thank you for gumising kayo.
Oh, okay.
Yes. At
Yeah.
dahil dyan, marami kaming kukwento sa inyo.
First of all, how's Ate Aya?
First of all,
What happened, Aya?
okay, what happened? I had leg cramps. Well, it's one of my biggest fears, and nangyari siya. And then what happened was na-feel ko na siya actually, like sa left and right. Pero I tried to dance it out and tinry kong labanan siya, pero I couldn't. And yun, until it went up until my hips.
Oh my
Tapos
God.
parang feeling ko parang hindi ko na magalaw. As in like buo, as in naka-straight na siya na. Tapos yung ano ko, ang tawag dito? My toes.
Your toes.
Naka-side na siya na ganun. As in like,
Ito yung... Sobrang nag-ano yung muscle.
oh, tapos
Yung
hindi mo,
daliri.
ganun na siya. As in, ganun siya.
Hindi mo siya magalaw.
Oo.
And I was...
Ako pag natutulog lang ako.
Ako pag
Ay,
may
ang
gising
sakit
ako
na
bigla.
pag
Oo.
nagising ka sa
Oo.
ano.
Saka,
Yeah. Ayun, nag-start siya sa calves, tapos kasi parang tinry ko nga siya labanan. Tapos umabot siya dito.
Kaya pala yung
Ang sakit. Oo.
Ang sakit.
Dito nga lang tinatawanan mo ako.
I'm not the only one.
Ay, so tinatawanan niyo ako.
Yes.
Grabe. Yeah, ang sakit, guys.
Loves, feel free to ask questions na babasa namin sa Discord.
Yes.
Questions nyo.
Kasi meron din tayong mga nakaprepare.
Yes. Okay, let's... First question.
Let's see.
Let's answer some questions.
Sent by Blue.
What has been my most memorable experience so far in Dubai and London?
Let's start in Dubai.
I love Dubai talaga, guys.
What do you love in Dubai?
The whole vibe. Yung building, yung mga pupuntahan. Gusto ko bumalik. Tatga ko yung desserts. Yung safari.
Who's your roommate? Me, right?
Oh,
She's so aggressive.
You're
okay.
so proud to be my roommate. Okay.
When we had lunch.
Lunch?
Beautiful day.
The bird?
Yes.
Oo nga. How about in London? So far.
Love London.
I like the accent here.
London.
We
I like the
went to
accent.
Abbey
I
Road.
like the accent here.
Notting Hill.
It's so romantic here, Blue. It's perfect for your family, for loved ones, for your partner. Basta ang saya dito yung mga view. Tapos, ang ganda ng mga infrastructures, ng buildings, ng museum, ng vibe overall. Sabay ba? I love it here. It's okay. Kaya LDR kasi tayo.
Baka si Wi-Fi here. Okay, next question.
Next question.
Is there a
Is there
plan,
plan?
or would you girls want to have an EP na lahat individually kayo nag-compose or lyrics niyo?
Why not?
We're open to anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Need time?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And more
And
workshop.
inspiration to
Yes.
Yes.
right.
Mm-hmm.
We would love to.
And some guidance.
And protection from
And
God.
prayer.
Some guidance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sabi nila,
Ano
did
yun?
you had rice?
Yeah.
Kaka-rice.
We eat rice every
The
day.
Chinatown.
You find
We went
rice
to
every day.
Chinatown earlier.
But
I miss white rice.
Yes. I miss the normal rice.
Kasi we
yung
keep
medyo basa.
eating, ano nga tawag sa mga rice dito? Yung may
Spicy rice.
Oh, may... Oo.
Fried rice.
Ihira yung white rice.
Ma-bread kasi sila dito.
Sobrang...
Ma-chef sila.
Okay, next.
Question.
Nakainang interview na kasi pala yung kasi namin to.
Okay. Sabi nila, ilan na ba ito? Lima?
Palima.
Day daw. Guys, Any plans for today? Guys, pang-limang
No more plans, okay?
pang-limang ganap na ng video.
Stop planning.
After this, manonood kami kay Ate Lian.
Somewhere.
Yes,
Don't go
somewhere.
there.
Okay. Next.
What can I okay, read it.
What are the non-necessity? Ay, may napindot ako.
Ala.
What are the non-necessity items that you always bring with you when you travel out of country?
My bear.
No.
Hindi necessity.
Oo, your bear.
Hindi mo siya need.
I need everything.
Magagamit.
It's like a one.
Oo.
One.
Me, my Care Bear.
Lately,
My credit.
Wow! We are 14! We have 14K viewers!
Wow.
Why?
Why?
Bella?
Why is everybody still awake?
Bella?
Ala.
What?
Di may ano yan, may mga ka-sleep on call yan. Kaya gising pa.
Ano kaya ang...
Baka may mga ano yan,
One
mga
na
taga-London din.
London baka meron nga mga taga-London.
So anong non-necessity nyo ay?
Lahat ng dala ko kailangan
Alam ko na. Meron akong dinala ngayon. Dala mo yun mo?
Kalambo.
Ano yun? Oo. Of course.
That's a necessity.
Come on.
Oh,
Sorry, I'm asking.
Alam mo yun, alam mo yun.
sila, bro. I'm just asking.
Bro, you gotta try it. Alam niyo yung dinala ko ngayon? Kutsara, tinidor.
Ay, nagulat ako.
Hindi mo dala kanina.
Roommate kami.
No, I forgot to bring it. Pero,
nilabas
nilabas ko yung kutsara, tinidor ko. Gold, kutsara, and tinidor. Dala ko.
From Dubai.
Yeah. I know. From the Philippines.
I brought the Philippines. Yeah.
Okay, next.
Kay Joanna naman.
Ako libro, guys.
Wow,
Nagdala ako ng libro, pero hindi ko na binabasa.
Yours.
Go, Gwen.
headphones. Akala ko gagamitin ko siya, hindi pala.
Hindi ka naman ma-music, be.
Pang ano lang.
How about you,
Hindi,
Mix?
akala ko lang sa airplane, like magagamit ko. Meron namang movies na free dun sa ano. So, nagagamit ko rin yung headphones dun. Ayun.
Ayan. Ate Malo, ilang shoes ang dala mo?
Oo.
Tati Maloy? Naka 20 kg po yung ano niya, shoes niya pa lang.
I brought 12 shoes for this trip.
Ilan yun?
Oo.
Yep.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
Okay, no judgment.
Grabe.
No judgment.
Ang hirap mag-explain ng sarili. Guys, this is me. Yeah, that's the explanation. How about you, Mix?
Me, I don't think I accidentally brought a disposable camera na full na pala siya.
Oh!
Yeah, so parang nandun lang siya. Papadevelop ko na lang pag-uwi. Anyway, next question.
Develop it.
Okay, next question.
If Beanie had their own video game, what would be your special move or power-up? Also, what would your villain name be if you turned evil for one day?
Mine would be Ghost. My name.
Okay.
My
What's your
name
power?
would be Ghost. And my power is, invisible ako. Ganun.
One by one.
Wala akong maisip.
Oh, wait, mine. Maybe I can levitate anytime. Like example. Wow. Okay.
Wait for her.
And then my villain name, Levitania.
What?
Levitania.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Gwen?
Feel free to choose a name for me.
I will be Rhythmika.
Sorry.
Edgy name. But what's the power up? What's the power up? What's the power up?
Ballerina.
Flexible. Oh, balit yan.
Gusto ko maging,
Maging.
mabilis.
Oh.
Like,
Oh, wow.
Pwede kang yung
Parang The Flash.
Dun sa The Incredibles. Okay, how about you? Matulog daw buong araw yung special.
Ano bang power kung gusto ko?
move.
Gusto ko maging yung power ni Iron Man. Yung may ano.
Boosh.
Ano pangalan? Ano pangalan mo?
Iron Woman.
Colette.
Ano bang pangalan ko?
Nick.
Iron Hand.
Wow, 15K na tayo, guys.
Wow.
Sun sticker. Ay, wala pa.
Iron Fist.
Kusa. Wala akong maisip na pangalan. Nakakatawa kasi nasa isip ko.
Post mo na lang.
Okay na yan. Hindi naman ako nagpo-post.
Ay, sorry. Maricar.
Oh! Not that name.
Kasi na, hindi,
That's not technique.
hindi nakakatawa kasi yung name na sasabihin ko. Or gusto ko nakaka-read ng mind.
Oh, gusto ko rin yan.
Ayoko niyan.
Tapos
Kapaliw yan.
para
Same.
makan.
Okay, I'm done.
Me, I want,
Nobody but.
kung sa video game, gusto ko ng power up na ako na yung panalo.
Oh!
So it's like cheating.
Oh,
I
okay.
want it. Kaya ako yung player na kailangan mo magbayad.
It's Wasal, ano?
Yeah, my name is
Gina, because you're the best.
what? What?
Okay.
I thought you said Gina.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, my name would be Francesca.
So,
You're a villain.
Francesca is the villainous villain in London. What?
Francesca.
What?
It has to be that.
What?
Francesca.
What?
Francesca.
Mine.
Joanna Christine.
That's your villain name. Joanna.
Christine is Tintin.
Yes.
Christine with a K.
Or Christine.
I want to see the future.
Joanna Christine.
In the video game, you want to see the future? If you're gonna win or
Yes.
not. Okay.
And if enemy's plans. Yes.
Gusto niya malaman yung plano ng enemies.
I don't think it's translator.
Thank you. Ako translated yan eh. Hindi niya may tindihan.
Me,
Go.
I wanna teleport. I wanna teleport.
Where?
Fly.
You
So that I can go anywhere I want without wasting any time.
Aww. That's
What's your
nice.
What's your villain name?
What's your
My
name?
villain name,
Jana.
Jana.
Heather.
Red, just red.
Oh. Brad is here.
May action siya lang.
Okay.
The one thing.
To all 16 viewers, this is my gusto ko yung parang kay Doraemon, yung maraming equipments. Kunwari, I want a shotgun. Gusto ko ng Armalite, ganyan.
Umbrella.
Or gusto ko ng car, makukuha ko lang sa packet. And my villain name is Eve. Kasi,
Oh.
hindi kasi, Ives kasi eh.
Batadan.
Di ba?
Navy. Wala ka.
No. No. Ives kasi, so Eve na lang.
Yung theme song mo, Batadan.
Eve, but then Eve.
Okay, next. Kasi we're running.
We're running out of. Okay, if you could add more players, you would be.
I understood you.
If you could add more places to tour for your Beaniverse World Tour, what would you like to add to tour? Because it's a tour.
Hawaii. We're supposed to do Hawaii.
Hawaii, Australia.
Australia.
I'm
Australia.
Japan.
Oh, Japan.
Japan.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Beanie website renew.
For Joanna. Okay,
That's not a
Joanna.
question pala.
What?
That's for the new
Yes, at dahil, ito na nga, Blooms, at dahil,
No, it's not.
at dahil June na, it's Beanie Month! And wala kami dyan, sayang. Kaya hindi lang, dapat,
Pero, no, we skip one question daw.
Huh?
Gusto mo ganita ni Shane.
Guys, we're late na.
yes,
Bebe.
Bebe.
Wala.
Okay, guys, Beanie Month na yun, hindi namin kayo kasama. So, pero hindi lang yun dapat yung abangan yung Beanie Month dahil may early gift kami para sa inyong lahat. Yes! Alam na namin na napanood nyo na ang Beanieverse!
Yep. The teaser.
Mapapanood niyo po sa Beanie Official YouTube channel every Wednesdays, 8 p.m. Philippine time, starting on May 28th. Yes, that's the day after your birthday. Exciting yan, guys. Madaming episodes yan, so abangan nyo. And plus, malapit na po ang anniv namin, guys. So, it means, malapit na rin po mag 1 year ang Beanie Global. Grabe, naka 1 year na agad tayo. Thank you for staying, lalo na't late na rin dyan. Yes, thank you for staying. Yes, may mga puyat dyan. Alam namin may mga ka-sleep on call kita rin. Kaya naman super excited po kami makasama kayo ulit sa sobrang busy na taon na to. Marami pong mangyayari at surprises na gusto namin ma-experience nyo rin. May surprise po kami for Beanie Day. So, dapat nyo pong abangan yan. Kaya naman, we are inviting you and reminding you na maging part po ulit ng Bini Global
Yes.
Fam.
Please.
Yes, sa mga naging exclusive members po noong June 2024, pwede po kayo mag-renew ng membership starting today. Yes, today. May pa-surprise po kami sa mga exclusive members. Abangan niyo po ang mangyayari sa June 29. Mark that date kasi matutuwa kayo sa mangyayari sa araw na yan. Pero stay tuned muna. Abangan ang iba pang details sa social media accounts po namin. O, di ba? Yes. Kaya bago pa kayo mag-renew, guys, ang dami na pong nakapilang ganap para sa inyo at para sa mga hindi pa member, ano pang hinihintay nyo, di ba? Maraming perks po ang pagiging exclusive member. One word to describe it? First. Yes. First. Tickets. Sa mga chikahan sa live stream. This is mga events aside from concerts at mga exclusive content at exclusive merch. Number 3.
Tulog to mamaya.
Okay, number 3. Bini pasalubong.
Guys, we're late. Okay. New destination, new pasalubong blooms. Check your email to know if you're one of the 8 chosen blooms na nakakapagbigay sa amin ng pasalubong. Ayan, mababasa niyo sa art card dyan sa gilid. And sa mga gustong magpaabot ng pasalubong, just scan the QR code na nakikita ninyo ngayon sa screen. Ayan.
Yep.
Yes, and that's it for today, blooms.
Ang daming makakatulog ka na naman
On
mamaya.
the 25th.
Guys,
Salamat po
Yes.
sa pag-hint.
Hindi, si Maloy po ang nakatulog sa Hamilton.
Yeah. We can take off muna.
Guys, alam niyo ba nung start ng Hamilton, nakaganito ako. Tapos, buti nga nakatabi ko si Nix, ganyan ako. Guys, yes, I slept for 2.5 hours. Nagising ako ng palakpak. Tapos ako pa yung una nag-video ng thank you nila.
diba? It's not me. It's
Ako na nila ako. Pag pumapalakpak.
It's not me. Inaabangan niya kung tapos na yung show. Kaya kami
Hindi. Tinry ko to. I try my best.
No, you didn't try a bit.
Hindi ako makaganon kasi magigising siya. So, gano'n lang ako.
That's so cool of you.
Wow, she considerate.
She's so cool.
Ako, nakaidip lang ako sa dulo na part. Oo.
guys.
Kung alam mo yung tulog kayo na tulog, hindi na
You slept on me! This is not our place.
Okay, can I say something? I slept nung break. Mid-year break. I slept there.
Kasi ang katabi ko, si Mami Jo. So,
Hindi.
nakakonsensya ako
Nakaganto
matulog.
kasi ako. Matagal na, hindi ko na kaya talaga. Katulog ako kay Joanna. Pero nanonood pa rin ako. Pero nakapikit na. Uy, mapapagalitan ka ng mga blue. Grabe sa Megoy. Kasi guys, mag-close na kasi itong place na to. So, nagmamadali
Nakikilike lang
kami.
kami, galing kami sa ganap. Dumiretso lang ng live. But after nito, chill time na kami. Manonood na kami kay Ate Lian and dinner na.
Samgyup.
Yes, thank you guys for watching. Salamat
Nag-London para
sa pag-iisa
mag-Samgyup.
live. Pahinga na kayo. Sleep well. See you sa aming next live. Bye-bye. Good night, Blooms. Good morning. Bye-bye. 2, 3.